Ever wonder how to get all those cool items in Zombie Tsunami? Let me show you how to buy objects and power up your game. Hey everyone, welcome to Make Gaming Easy. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to buy objects in Zombie Tsunami. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, launch your Zombie Tsunami app. At the right hand side of your screen, tap on the market option. Once you're in the store, you'll see a variety of items. These objects can boost your gameplay or help you collect more zombies. Find the object that you want to buy, whether it's a power-up or an upgrade. Tap on it for more details. To buy the item, tap the Buy button. You can purchase items using in-game currency or real money depending on the object. After choosing your payment method, confirm your purchase. Once confirmed, the object will be added to your inventory. Now that you've got your object, use it in your game to gain an advantage or unlock your new features. And that's it, you're all set to buy and use objects in Zombie Tsunami. Thanks for watching Make Gaming Easy. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment down if you have any questions or feedback. And if you're new, subscribe and stay updated for the future videos.